Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing another dip, acrylic dip, but this one I'm going to be doing on a bigger canvas. I have a square 12-inch or 30 centimeter canvas, and the previous dips I did, they turned out okay. I do prefer the darker one. I will show them to you now. I'm going to be doing another one with a dark background and try more bright colors onto it. But yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing today. So come along, follow, and let's create a beautiful painting again. So it does have some pretty colors in it, but yeah, I should have put more paint. That's really the problem. Should have put more paint. And this is the darker one. I do like this one. I love the designs. I love the colors. Looks very cosmic. Looks like outer space. I love it. So I do like the dark one. So just like for the other painting, I just need to mark off onto the plastic where the canvas is going to go. So just doing that. Just a general idea, just for me. That's fine, I can see that. Right, now I am going to be putting down a black base, and I am going to be putting more paint down than I did with my white one, but not as much as I did with my black one. Oh, it's just finding that balance, eh? But anyway, we'll get there. We will get there. So quite a bit of black down. Okay. And now using my palette knife, I'm just going to spread it around so that it is going to cover the whole canvas. Okay, and then into that we are going to be putting our colors. Again, I want to put more color down in this painting, so there's some yellow, some sap green, some turquoise, I want to put a little bit of this, it's glamour dust, so I think it should add a little bit of a shimmer to it when it's dry, because it's obviously metallic. What else? Let's put some neon pink. And let's put a little bit of neon orange. Well, these colors are very bright compared to the last one. I want to put a little bit of white, not much, just a little drizzle of white. Like that. And I want to try, I don't know if I'm going to get this out here though, because I have not used this paint in a long time. Give it a shake. This is gold. A little bit of gold, just a sprinkle. This is Decor 24 karat, but this paint is from 2 years ago. So I don't know, but anyway. And last but not least, I'm going to just add a little bit of normal orange. And I do like this pink, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of this pink. So, just put it in. And give it a good push down. Not too hard. Like I said, we don't want to push the paint right out from under the canvas, but we do want to make sure it is all covered. And using the palette knife, just go around the edges to make sure they're all covered with paint. Can you see it? I think you can. Right, ready, and oh, that is pretty. Oh, I like that. Look at that. That is pretty. I do like that. Okay, I do like that, so I'm leaving it as it is. I am now just going to dip the edges. Dip. 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 Well, that looks very nice. Now I'm just going to, there are some parts on the side that don't have paint on, so I'm just going to make sure all the sides are covered. Just pick a paint off the table and dab it on. There's some cells forming from the gold, the deco art, so that's pretty cool. Lovely colors, nice and bright. Really nice. Very happy with that. Very, very happy with that.